Hey guys, we're here to do another simple tutorial today. We'll keep practicing some simple ones, getting us ready to do some more advanced ones in the future. It does help to master some of these easier ones, so you just get the feel of working with the cord a little more before you tackle some of the more challenging patterns. Today we're just going to work on a Cobra braid. We'll do both a king cobra and just a basic cobra. I'll get this set up here for us. Again, if you need to see this part slower, I'll attach the video in the comment section on how to get this started. Alright, when you have it set up like this is a pretty simple knot. So you can start with this cord on the left. And I like to make a 4. So this will go over the top of the pattern and off to the side. And then you'll grab the string from the right, go over that 4, behind the cord in the middle, and then up through the middle. We'll go ahead and tighten everything here. And that's what your first knot is going to look like. So for this, a good way to remember what color to do your knots with. Whatever is in the middle is what you're going to be making your 4 with. But each time, to keep this straight as we go, we're going to switch sides that we make this 4. So now we're going to do it this side. So that's a reverse. Again, we take this cord over the top of the 4, bring this behind the pattern, up through the middle of that hole, and pull everything tight. And we'll keep repeating this for the whole pattern. So again, make your 4, over the top of that orange, back behind the whole pattern there, up through the hole. Reverse it, reverse 4, over that string, behind the middle, up through the hole. And we will just keep doing this until we finish this whole pattern. So this alone is your cobra pattern. This is just going to be a single cobra. But as you can see, it's all kind of thin, good for smaller dogs or projects you don't need as much width to. You could just turn your jig around, but to make things easier for this video, I'm just going to switch the whole project here. Now to make a king cobra, you do the same thing but back over the top. So now that it's switched, make the 4 on top, over that orange strand, back behind the project, up through the hole, and tighten and return all the way back to the end. So that's your 4, reversed there, over that top cord, behind the project, up through the hole. Tighten that up. Again, we're going to keep using the orange to make this 4. So there's your 4, over the orange, behind the whole project, up through the middle and pull. 4, over, behind, through the hole, pull. We'll just keep doing that the whole way down. I think I am going to run out of cord for this though. I was going to make this a little smaller, but just went with it. But you get the idea here. And when you get to the ends, have everything nice and tight there. Go ahead and trim this a little bit. Cut the end off. Burn this side here. You want to do this with the blue part of the flame and not the red part, otherwise you're just going to scorch the cord. And then roll it flat. Looking pretty good. Now we can switch just so you can see a little better. And just like before, cut pretty close. Burn this down with the blue part of the lighter. And then smash that down. So again, you would ideally finish the whole project if you were going for the King Cobra pattern. I just ran out of cord and kept things simple for you today. But that is going to be the next pattern we learn. Make sure to keep following me to see more patterns. If you have any that you'd like to see, please leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.